Good morning, it's MaryEllen from the channel MaryEllen After 60, and it is bright and sunny today, and Jim just left to run some errands, so I quickly put on some makeup, and I just wanted to share with you some things that I purchased. Most everything I liked, and I did have one fail, but I think it was probably my fault. Sometime in November, I received an email from by Terry that they were having a sale. Well, I love by Terry products. I know you know that. And I placed an order. Little did I know I was ordering from France. And it was a good sale. I'm not sure if these are closeouts, but I just want to share with you what I received. Anytime I've gotten anything from by Terry, it just comes packaged so nicely. I ordered 3 items and it came to like $62 for tax, shipping, handling, all the way from France. So I know it was a good sale. I just know it because I know the cost of some of her products. The first thing that I wanted was the by Terry Baume de Rose lip treatment. You know, lips are my favorite anything. I love anything to do with lips. And I have been using this every night since November, and I've used quite a bit of it. It has that nice rose scent. Even it's kind of tinted orange, but it doesn't come off orange, but it is really lovely. And I will do a comparison video. I'll talk about it opposed to my other lip products in a future video. And then of course I love navy eyeliners, and I ordered their crayon kohl, and the color I believe is Voodoo Blue. This is absolutely beautiful. I can line above my lashes with it. It goes on beautifully, but it doesn't stay in my upper waterline. It's no big deal if it transfers, but I don't like most, unless I'm going out at night, I don't use the eyeliner on my bottom lid. But this one will stay, but it will transfer. But I love the color, and well, you can see it stays put, but not in my upper waterline, as I've said 1,000 times before. The next item I ordered, and the last, is their Hyaluronic Blush, and I believe mine is in the color Blushberry. And I really do like this a lot. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. Oh, that's way too much, but I want to show you how it blends. And it's just a beautiful tint. So I was really pleased with everything I received from them. Next time I'll kind of notice if it's from France, but I usually buy my by Terry products either at Beautylish or Barney's, and a lot of times you'll get this really, just because it's an expensive department store, you'll get free shipping and handling, and you also, most of them have Ebates. Nordstrom's doesn't have it anymore. But I always try to buy where they have Ebates or Beautylish because I do enjoy Beautylish. You know, everything is relative, and I don't consider myself somebody who buys a ton of cosmetics. In fact, I have purchased a lot less cosmetics since I've been on YouTube than I used to because, I used to order a lot of makeup. But I had heard so much about the Huda Beauty eyeshadows, and for $27 from Sephora, I ordered this palette. And I will tell you, it is absolutely lovely. Now I've tried Huda Beauty. I still love all my other compacts, all my other eyeshadows, but this was a real treat. Every year, and I don't know if you know this or not, I don't order enough to ever get any type of free shipping. But if you spend $10, you can get free shipping all year long. So I do that, and I'll show you below how to do that. But I got a gift card from another gift from my son and his family. And now whatever I want to, isn't it cute how it came in a little thing like that? But if I want to order something that's $10, I know I save money by paying that $10 shipping and handling for a whole year. And you get 2 days delivery. So I think it's a real good thing. I was watching, and I believe her channel's name is Dawn's Life After 40. She's a Northern Illinois woman. She's an RN. And when I just started watching her, I connected with her immediately. And I don't use body lotions. I will use hand lotions, and I will put some lotion on my upper arms, but my body's not dry yet. And I do use like a loofah, a small round loofah, and when I'm in the bathtub, I debride my skin of all the dryness, and I've never felt the need to use a body lotion. But she was talking about something that she loved, and it was the ginger and cardamom. And this is a body wash with olive oil. I ordered this from Bath & Body Works when they had a huge sale. I got a really good deal on it. And I also ordered the natural ginger oil. Started to say ginger oil. And what I do is I'll put this on my hands and like my wrist, and I just love to smell it at night. So I wasn't familiar with this scent, so I want to thank you, Dawn, for bringing it up, and I'm really happy with it. The next item was a fail, but it was a user fail. I was watching Michelle from the channel Cinnamon Girl Beauty, and she just had the most beautiful fingernails. I don't polish my nails very often. I buff them, and that's about it. I make sure my cuticles are back. But man, her nails were beautiful, and they were the Kiss press-on nails with glue. I wanted to be Michelle. I wanted to have hands like hers. I wanted to have fingernails like hers, but I'm just not very good with fingernails. I'm not. I'm going to give this to my daughter, and I bet she'll have great nails, but I did try, and I've heard so many people brag about it. They've just loved these nails, and they just didn't work for me. This picture a couple of weeks ago, the sky was so pink and blue and the sun was rising. I just took my cell phone and took a snapshot. I'm going to announce the winners. I have good news and some that's not so good. The good news is I contacted Jen Amber because I had so many people that were interested in the Derma roller. I asked her if I could purchase 2 so I could give away 4. And she said, nope. She said, you just go ahead and she'll send out 4. All 4 of the winners requested the 0.5 millimeter, and they are out of stock and she won't receive them for probably 4 weeks. If you want to change your mind and you want to try the 0.25 millimeter, she can send them out immediately. But I'm going to go ahead and get started with the winners. The first name that came up on randomcommentpicker.com was Joyce Suma. The next person was Sherry561. The third winner was I'm a Happy Cat. And the last winner is Cindy Barber. So go ahead and comment below if your name was called, and I will send you a message and let you know how to get in touch with me. I want to congratulate you all, and I want to thank Jen Amber for providing the Derma rollers. Something I want to mention, Jim and I are thinking about going to Myrtle Beach sometime in March, and I don't want to put the dates here, but I'm interested in doing a meetup. So if any of you live in that area and you're interested in a meetup, in the information below when you leave a comment, just tell me you're interested and give me the first part of your email, and go ahead and email me, because I don't want to I live in a small town. I don't ever want to put what dates I'm gone. So I will contact you when I know when we're going to be there. A lot of times I'll say we've been someplace and people say, oh, why didn't you tell me? Because we would have been close. So yeah, I just want to know if anybody's interested, because I think it would be fun. And I don't care if it's 2 people. I would just love to meet you. It is all good. You guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. I'm going to show you some things that I have been purchasing.